Hey, happy Friday afternoon. So I want to let you know, ooh, shaky, sorry about that. I'm doing an email to you guys, and it's just the replay of the basic crypto crew on Wednesday. And just to give you a quick heads up what it says, I'm gonna kind of read it. I gave you some bullet points in the email. I love it. We discussed the US residents versus Bittrex, Poloniex, and Binance, and what's going on with those, and what we are allowed to do on those exchanges and what we're not. Then Canada's not allowed on TradeStation. We discussed a little bit about a bank letting go of 18,000 employees, and we discussed I pulled up my TradingView charts and applied it to Apple and Bitcoin, and then we talked a little bit about Arbitrage and CryptoSuite. So all those links are in there. I do have affiliate links, and I'll send you guys a replay in the notes or the comments of this little message.